Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making stuffed bell peppers. The ingredients that we're going to need today are boil in the bag white rice, garlic powder, onion powder, Worcestershire sauce, beef bouillon, Creole seasoning, ground black pepper, Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning, crushed thyme leaves, basil leaves, tomato sauce, ground beef, your bell peppers, onion, and garlic cloves. Okay guys, so I have all of my ingredients measured out. We're going to need 1 pound of ground beef, 4 bell peppers, you can use any color that you would like, 1 package of the boil in the bag rice, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1/2 of an onion diced, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1/4 teaspoon of cajun or Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1½ teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of the beef bouillon, 1 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, and 1/4 teaspoon of basil. And guys, we're also going to be using 1½ tablespoons of olive oil. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is heat your oven to 400 degrees. Then we're going to cut off the tops of our bell peppers. Okay guys, next we're going to remove the seeds and the membranes from inside of our bell peppers. Now the tops that we cut off, do not throw them away, we're going to use them. You want to dice them up. You need about 1/2 cup of the diced bell peppers, so we're going to use that. And also guys, if your peppers do not stand straight, all you want to do is just cut off a little bit of the bottom, not too much. That way they don't lean over. Okay guys, so this is what your peppers should look like. And you should have the tops already cut and diced. Guys, I forgot to mention in the ingredients, I'm using sharp cheddar shredded cheese. And also I have deli sliced mozzarella cheese, which I'm going to use for the tops. So you can use whatever kind of cheese that you would like. Okay guys, so I put my bell peppers into a baking dish. I don't like mine very crispy, so I'm going to go ahead and put them into the oven for 10 minutes so they can soften up some. Okay guys, next in a pan over medium heat, I'm going to go ahead and add my olive oil. We're going to bring that to temperature. Now you want to add your onion and also your bell peppers, and we're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add in our minced garlic, and we're going to let that saute for 1 more minute. Okay, now we're going to add in our pound of ground beef. And I'm just going to go and break that into the veggies. You want to make sure everything is well combined. Okay guys, so all I'm going to do now is go in with our seasonings. I have our Creole seasoning, our Mrs. Dash, our beef bouillon, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. You just want to mix until it's well combined. And we're going to continue to cook our ground beef till everything is brown. Okay guys, after your ground beef is done cooking, you want to go ahead and taste it to see if you need any more seasoning to your liking. At this time you can add a little bit of salt if you need to. Then we're going to remove it from our pan and drain it of any excess grease. Okay guys, once you're done draining the grease, you want to add your tomato sauce to it, your Worcestershire sauce, your basil, your thyme, and also we're going to add our ricing. And all you want to do is give that a good mix. Make sure everything is well combined. And you can lower your heat down also. Okay guys, once you have everything well combined, I'm going to go ahead in with my shredded cheese. Remember, you can use the cheese of your choice. I'm not going to put too much. I don't want it that cheesy, but you're welcome to add as much cheese as you would like. And all we're going to do is mix it until the cheese melts. Okay guys, so I have our ground beef mixture in a bowl. I have my 4 slices of mozzarella deli cheese. Remember, you can use the cheese of your choice, shredded cheese, sliced cheese. And I also have my bell peppers out. I wanted to show you guys. You see how they softened up? So, like I said, you could put them in for 10 minutes and then take them out if you don't like them crunchy. So all we're going to do next is go ahead in and begin to fill our peppers. Okay guys, once your bell peppers are stuffed, we're going to go ahead and take our cheese and we're going to place it over top. Then we're going to place it in our oven, 400 degrees, for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so let me show you how beautiful these came out. They're nice and cheesy and bubbly. So we're going to go ahead and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our stuffed bell peppers. So guys, I cut one and this is what the inside looks like. They smell delicious and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.